welcome back to EL Conversation Academy.
Why are you following me?
I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant.
Please listen carefully.
Is there anything else?
You know we can arrest you for obstructing an ongoing investigation.
Arrest me.
Please listen carefully.
Can I go home?
Of course. Of course.
Can I go home?
Of course. Of course.
Can I go home?
Of course. Of course.
Okay.
Please listen carefully.
Go ahead, put the cuffs on.
Thanks for watching. Comment, share, like, and subscribe to our channel.
What does Kim say in this scene?